Dogs are very useful pets. They are not only cute, smart, obedient, but also close friends with their owners and know how to look after the house and catch mice. Especially in the eyes of children, the dog in the family is always an extremely lovely member. That great love has motivated our artisans to build a new home for the little puppies. So now, let's see how our skilled craftsmen made this work. Firstly, the craftsman cleaned up a corner of the garden and marked on the ground to define the size of the work. Then, they used 3 bamboos to make a triangle and immobilized them tightly together to shape the frame of the work. Right after that, they skillfully linked the bamboo slats together with nails, steel wire, and plastic wire to form a keel like a bamboo hat. After the frame was completed, the worker used mud and straw to mix together to form a mixture similar to building mortar. Then, this mixture was applied over the entire bamboo frame that has been created before. After only a short time, an earthen house appeared before our eyes. And as you can see, the house has a main door, 2 windows, 3 light boxes, and a roof, like a giant snail shell. On the next stage, the craftsman used clay that has been thoroughly kneaded with water to form a mixture exactly like jello clay. This part of clay is covered with the entire roof, door frame, and stairs of the work. As you can see, clay is also shaped like a brick and then applied to the wall to look very prominent. After finishing the house made of bamboo, mud, and clay, the workers continued to draw marks on the ground and began to dig. In just a few minutes, they created a mini aquarium right in front of the dog's new home. Water pipes are pre-installed and covered with a layer of soil to make it more aesthetic. An artificial stream was also created just to the right of the house. On this stage, concrete was poured into the tank to reinforce and prevent water seepage. After that, the worker used small bamboo sticks to create a fence around the playground area of the house. The artificial grass carpets were also covered inside and outside the playground. The final stage will be the decoration of the work. White pebbles are spread on the outside of the work. Water is pumped into the tank and colorful fish are released shortly after. In addition, the worker also used some green plants to decorate the work more vividly. Let's go to your new home, little puppies. Seeing how they welcome their new home, they must be very happy and excited about it. Let's take a look at the entire work once again to see the ingenuity, meticulousness, and talented hands of the artisans who created the work. Let us know what you think about this artwork. If you like us, please subscribe to support and follow our next videos. Thank you for your watching the video. Goodbye!